if your controller beeps as soon as you use the throttle. This means the brake lever hasn't reset properly. First, check if the brake lever has any obvious physical damage. If it's clearly damaged, the brake lever is definitely the cause. If you can't see any damage but still hear this alarm when accelerating, then let's remove the seat. Once the seat is off, you can see the tail light clearly. Notice it stays on even when you aren't touching the brakes. And it triggers an alarm sound when you try to use the throttle. Now, locate the brake cutoff sensor wires. Find these two brake sensor connectors. Both connectors are the same, one for each brake lever. Unplug the first one if the brake light stays on. Plug the first one back in and unplug the second one. The brake light is off now, so we've found the faulty side. Now we've confirmed which brake lever is causing the issue. Next, let's confirm if this connector belongs to the left or right lever. It's easy to tell which side it is. Squeeze the brake lever to see if the tail light responds. This one doesn't light up, so this is the disconnected side. Now test the other lever. The light works. This means this lever is the one still connected. The one that doesn't light up is the one we just unplugged. As you can see, it's not lighting up, confirming this lever is faulty. You can try adjusting the brake sensor or simply replacing it.